it would make sense for her to have one of the can't think of the term, but alternate characters that are in and out.
Well, yeah, there's supposed to be more new characters or something like that, or new characters to the series or something.
I like the characters. I just hate the current what's his name? The father? God dang it.
Mr. Adams? I forget his name.
Oh my god, I knew it this morning.
Fish is the wife. I can't remember. The husband.
Fester?
No,
what are we talking about?
The main guy, the husband and wife,
Gomez. I love it. I hate the guy that they're using for Gomez because, like, I like him and he's funny and stuff, but the original guy from the movie was just so much more of a showman.
Have you actually seen the show? I haven't seen it yet.
I watched like an episode and a half. I'm liking it.
Oh.
What was that?
Sound like my dog when he wants something.
We missed you, Viv. Where you been?
Morning.
He's been traveling the country.
What other new shows?
Been so long.
Did you ever watch World of Worlds? That kind of.
Oh, did they make a new one?
There's a third season just came out.
This is my final statement. Bitcoin's not going to do anything until it reaches 16,800.
Oh, you're trying to give Bitcoin a vitamin C.
You were finishing some stuff last time I talked to you. Did you ever finish all those series?
No, Bitcoin's not going anywhere. It's 16,800. That's the line in the sand.
XRP is ready to go up, right? I saw on the hourly it closed with a bullish looking hammer.
I don't know, man. All the inverted charts look like they're about to rip up, so that means down. That's my opinion. No? Especially
whatever you guys want to do with your altcoins, I don't care. Bitcoin's not going anywhere until it goes above 16,700. That's the reality of the situation. I promise.
You're saying Bitcoin's not going to go up until it goes up?
Crypto's not going to go up until Bitcoin goes above 16,700.
Hold on, am I reading this right? In general? Expect this, have you lost your fucking mind?
You make 2%, 5%
He's been
here,
drinking.
whatever. Go make your 5%. But
I agree with
but crypto's not going anywhere.
17-2.
Crypto's not going anywhere until we breach 17,700. Sorry, 16,700.
No.
If
That's
Bitcoin does not breach
15 times.
Yeah, if Bitcoin does not breach and hold above 16,700, we're not going fucking anywhere.
17,100.
Nowhere.
Something.
Anywhere. Nowhere. We go down.
That's somewhere.
Nice. Real quick, the last time, and I'll get off topics of movies and shit. Finn, I've met Thing.
That you what?
I met Thing in real life.
The hand? Or Lurch?
Thing, the hand.
Oh yeah, the hand used to keep me company plenty of lonely nights.
No, it's he's a magician. He's scary good with that hand.
Ooh, tell me more.
God.
Detached from anywhere and look like it's on anywhere of his body. It's bizarre.
Should be a rule.
What's
drinking
bizarre
and talking
is
on
the way
live.
you say it. No, I'm kidding. Did you ever see the egg commercial? What's weird is that you... No? Anyways, let's forget it. You would have understood. What are you talking about, though? I'm interested. The hand? The what?
You know, the Adams family, the hand that runs around.
Yeah.
Like he's met the hand. He said,
LOL.
the guy whose hand
Oh, really? Sick. Like at a Comic-Con or something? No, not Comic-Con, but I don't know, a movie thing. What do you call it?
He was the opening act at a very, very small venue of about 40 people or maybe 60 people.
Come on. Like, and was he like the size of a hand, or like this, like a human size hand, like 6 foot tall hand with a wrist? The hand? You met the hand?
Yeah, okay, Lurch is the hand. That's right.
It's hard to explain.
Well, does the hand have a body behind it, or is it just a hand?
It's just a hand. But
Is it like mechanical?
no. It's an actor, but like he can. You swear his hand is another entity,
Oh, okay.
like not attached to his body. Like
Right. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I just thought, like, okay, so I was sorry because my mind really wanders. I thought you actually had this hand that showed up, and it was maybe mechanical or something, because that would be very possible, right? Guy standing somewhere with a remote control, and he's controlling the damn hand, and it comes up to you and introduces itself.
look in general. There's no way of explaining it.
I just thought that it was like the hand from the Adams family. He was saying
It is.
it is okay.
Look in general.
I'm looking at the picture.
That's him on stage. That's not like that's not movie magic. That's what it looks like when you're standing 30 feet from him on stage.
What am I looking at?
You don't
Which
see
one
the,
is?
you don't see the extra freaking pink hand in the corner pulling him
I do.
while he does his act.
Oh, now I see it properly. Okay.
It's a fake hand on the table.
It's a hand attached
Yeah,
to
and
a
it's
person.
not like it like stays out there. It happens to be pulling him on that picture, but like it'll walk around his shoulder, move stuff on the table while he's moving stuff. Like
Just cause you are too dumb to
Fuck.
realize the magic doesn't
Now
make
I'm
it any
seeing it.
less.
it's an extra
Just a minute,
hand that runs around his body while he's talking to you and shit, but it's his hand.
Do you think it's attached by one of the fingers, or does it detach from that cape?
That particular image is a little different, but like when I saw it, was like he had 3 hands. It wasn't like a pink one.
Shit.
Matches.
It's epic.
Does this guy have a penis?
That's it.
Maybe it's a case of overgrown penis.
Everything is going down. Watch your XRP.
It just put me in profit right there. It blew through the 200 like it was going
See you
backwards.
later.
That was just gone, bro.
I knew XRP was about to drop. Damn.
Look at those. Those just woo. It threw my profit quick, man.
Oh shit! Yes, it did, huh?
Yeah, I had a limit set and it blew right through it.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's because when I said that before, it's because you invert your chart. You did a perfect 2-step down fractal retest of that bottom on the inverted, and this is the swing from it, just like when we're right side up. So that could have been it, though. Might have a step 2.
I think that's just your. I think you still got to go down to see the 08594 range. I'm gonna say 08. Let's just say 086 ish.
Oh wait, what are? Oh, you're on Doge. Yes, you're
I'm on Dookie Doge.
Oh yeah, Doge yesterday. What was it, OG? Between 83 something and 84. Yeah, I could go there actually. Step 2 down would take you there.
Yeah, I got 086.
But I'm actually, I might buy it at that number.
0.082.
4 for the target for the head and shoulders.
Exactly. And then and then
if I go to the 1 hour, I got that 08463, somewhere in that range.
And then
that was a good
one. Five City's starting to long around here.
Well, I mean, I would, because that was your wick on the inverted on Doge at the moment.
It did bounce pretty nicely. From that
Yeah, like I'm actually gonna buy some right here, and I'll just put a stop loss. That's a nice tail. I mean, Doge can pitch a hell of a tail, but invert your chart right now. You'll see it on the 1 minute. Yeah. That was a wick. So wait for the retest here. It holds. I'll buy
you got one more step. That's just the second step.
I know, but I don't want. No. Wait, what's the top of this right here over here?
You see, you done your lower high up there.
I know.
And then you done your first step. You done your second step. You got one more step.
85, 96.
And you do that last little step. Then you come over. You go sideways. You make your little baby hump. But then you go.
We're making the baby hump right now, and it could have done the 2 steps. One could have been very short.
No, this is just a part of you. That's just your impulse off your second step right there. You still got one more step.
Fine. I'm
fine.
I'm blaming it on you.
I'm gonna smoke out your bag.
I want to smoke my joint. Let me
Go
look
ahead.
this thing up. Well, I'm telling you, it's gonna bounce here.
You do an impulse. I give you an impulse. I'm sitting on the sideline for a minute.
Well, I'm on the sideline. I didn't jump in. I like that. I like when people. I mean, I'm not going to say no to what you're seeing because I see what you're seeing.
You just got to play it through each time frame, because the 1 minute you're gonna have all 3 steps. On the 5 minute, you've got
only 2.
Yeah, and then you go to the 15 minute, you're like, uh-oh. Then go to the 1 hour. You only did the first. This was your second on the 1 hour. So you still got to build your impulse off of this for your 1 hour chart.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful. The inverted Doge chart. It's amazing.
I think it's like 19365 or something. And it should go down a little more.
It just doesn't get cleaner than this. 2 steps down, confirmation, holds, boom. Got your. It's just perfect. We're on that swing. I love this part because I'm buying the next move if you're correct. I
On
know
Doge,
it's the end of those moves. Yeah, on Doge.
Yeah. I just sold my short on BTC. I'm just looking for a long on Doge.
Nice.
I was trying to explain it to Clive what I was doing earlier. Good shit, Ocean. God almighty. Good shit.
Yeah. What did he do? I know you're saying that because he probably didn't get it.
62%.
Yes. Nice.
I got short on Ethereum.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yes, you are, Clive. That's pretty cool, though.
Live is a great button.
Looking at BTC, it looks like a Head and Shoulders setup. It didn't quite come to the neckline, but came real close. So if it pushes down again, it might push through that neckline around about 16.36.
You got about 10 minutes left on this hourly, so
Exactly, 97. 16,365.
Oh, Doge just popped back above its 50 fib.
Now we wait for the retest.
Yeah, well, it did a retest. It just didn't touch the 50, which somewhat goes against my confirmations. But I'm telling you, man, there's a tail coming up. It's I know my cats. I'd be shocked if this thing doesn't push up right now. And it's like Donnie said, that's fine if he sees what he sees, like let's say on a 15 or 5 minute. I'm just talking about having this formation form on the 1 minute, just because that's pretty much what I trade, right? But
Turbo.
Yeah.
I found a 2-minute clip of him doing his thing.
Oh, cool. Sick. I'm gonna look at it so I don't have to pay attention to Doge.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll go down right here.
The end, it gets a little ridiculous. In the beginning, you're just kind of like, all right, it's cool, but like not that cool.
Okay, I'm watching it.
Yeah, it's getting a little low by.
It's like BTC is testing that last wick down as resistance.
that last trade was 25.33%.
Nice. BTC Head and Shoulders, I'm looking at potential Head and Shoulders. If it were to break that 16.365 and close below it, the max target looks to be about 15.886, roughly. But there's, nice shelf around 16.2-ish between there and 16.08, somewhere in there, that it could get caught by and maybe reject the full Head and Shoulders play out. If it even goes to test that neckline, I don't know. Daily stochastic RSI on BTC just came out of over bought slightly, but it's still way up there. Everything else is mid-range and lower on the stochastics.
Well, back on the 1 hour, the EMA, the 20 crossed back down over to 200. 20's pushing down across the 50 right now. And they're turned down to go back down after the 100 So it could be a big wash, big fall. I guess the big spot's going to be that 350 range. We'll start breaking through there and getting in that 340s for the lower low right there. Make the big old letter M.
Bruno, your mic's open. Honest says, shut
Sorry.
the F up, man.
Me?
No. She just said your mic is open in general.
Tired of hearing
I was like, damn, honest.
dude, turn off your mic or stop breathing, damn it. Oh, okay.
Damn, honest. You're really being honest.
So how do we get a down move from this formation on Doge is my question.
I don't
People
know.
sell.
Crazy though, huh?
People sell. That's
Well,
how we get a down move.
well, you can't make this formation drop right now.
Looks kind of like a
It's
bear
got to
flag.
drop on a higher time frame, not on the 1 minute.
On the 5, it looks bear flaggish.
5? Oh, maybe the 5. Let's take a flav. Let's take a flav. Take a clive and a flav and a 5. Okay, yeah, we're below the 50 on the 5 again. No, this is inverted. What am I saying, dude? Okay, so we're what? We're doing the retest now of the 50, maybe. I don't know.
Wait, I'm looking at Bitcoin.
Yeah, look at those. I think the 50 sits at 50 fib is at 0.08800 at the moment, and we're kind of hovering above it. Form this little cat. Now we're gonna probably do a tail unless some jerk comes in and drops it. But you'll see. Maybe the 5. 15. it's like living your life a quarter mile at a time. Now we're gonna live our chart one EMA at a time. Let's see.
Well,
The first thing we need is not to have a rejection on the 20.
Technically,
Right,
you do,
Donnie?
right? You got to. Technically, you got to live it one time frame at a time.
Yeah. It's so true, though. It's so true. So, like, now I look at, like, I actually go down to like a 30 second to see if that even goes above, the 20. If it doesn't, it's hopeless. Because if that one can't, then, so, you go to that and then you check the one and see if that's going above, the whole spiel. I love it. It's so cool to chart it that way. And of course, there's a little cat right now, which is trying to pitch a tail. Can you see him on the 1 minute? His body is higher than his ear. So the tail, I don't know if it's going to go very high, but it's it's on that 20 now. Why am I using a 20 again? Wasn't I only using a 50, 100, and a 200, Donnie? How come the 20? Was that always one that we were using?
Yeah, 20, 50, 20, 50, 100, 200.
Okay, so they're right. Okay. Oh yeah, come on, you can do it. Do it for me. It just touched the 130 second. Hey, I'm bored, okay?
Are there any doctors in the room?
Dr. J.
Hey, Dr.
How can I help you?
Hey, you play basketball?
You know what's the best part? I just opened my iPad Pro and it's fucking broken. I cracked it somehow. God damn. Fucking horrible month for me.
Broke up.
What's wrong with it?
You open up your tablet and what?
It's cracked.
Did you crack it by opening it, twisting?
My nieces probably cracked it.
Oh no.
Luckily, you probably don't have Apple Care, right?
No, I don't have it.
Of course not. Because that would be convenient.
That'd be too convenient.
And then you're covered. Yeah.
So now I gotta buy.
What version is it?
It's the iPad Pro. It's 2 years old. It's the largest one. I don't know whichever one that is.
Is it 12?
19 inch. 19.
Oh shit! You get the Apple Care.
B, you got this market sick.
No keyboard, right? Just like an iPad?
Yeah, just an iPad. But it's an iPad Pro, so I can use the stylus to draw on.
Why did you do that, B?
Gorilla Glass my ass. Screen protector?
No, I haven't needed one ever.
Well, I already said that because sometimes it's just a screen protector broken, but yeah.
Now we have to build all that we lost. These are dark times. Can we forgive them?
I know what they do.
What?
That
Penis.
do?
Ew.
On a lighter note, I figured out idiot waves.
That's nice.
You gotta rename them. OG Wave.
Beeline waves. The two-step is just a 5-wave.
Clive is still alive. And Shorty.
Well, Ren, I think, is in wave 5. Get ready to pull wave 5. Ner.
Who is?
Ner. An hour. I'm 5.3% shorter so far. No, I'm 8% shorter.
Surely you can't be serious.
Of course I'm serious. And stop calling me Shirley. Hey, you should go to the hospital. What is it? It's a large building with a lot of windows and patients, but that's not important right now. It may or may not be 40% sure now.
Let's see what I can do with this $20, OG.
That's what I said.
Did your wife hear that?
I gotta. I signed up last night and the money was in there this morning, so I was like, all right, let's waiting for an opportunity.
Nice. 50x on render. Don't do that.
I did a 20x on Doge and a 200x on BTC.
Holy shit.
My new favorite part is you can change the candles to index candles instead of last candles, and they're actually the price. They move with the price instead of just wherever they want to go. Epic. It's almost like precision.
Double or nothing. 100% returns or liquidation. You choose market.
Well, that's cool. The hollow candles or the empty candles, whatever that is, where the green ones are empty. If they stay above the last candle, they stay solid. And if they are engulfing a candle, they're hollow. Didn't know that. I think that's what's going on here.
You know why? Because they
No,
say
why?
hollow before they engulf them.
Nice. That must be Canadian candles.
Oh boy.
That's what they mean by a proper candle. I got you. Do the same thing. When they're below, they stay hollow. When they're engulfing, they stay solid. I don't know if it's something new on this platform or if it's something I just missed before.
Oh, did they avoid that or what? Look at that on BTC. That's funny. Unless it's going to give us the little bleed candle now, but no, that was cool. It's not the greatest thing that BTC just touched the freaking 20 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Got a rejection at the moment. Still bullish on this fractal, believe it or not. Temporarily.
I'm now 90% certain that was wave 5.
So down. And on what time frame?
Render.
Oh, render?
Yeah.
That's not a time frame.
Oh, 1 hour on render.
Oh, 1 hour. Well, I mean, that would definitely make a dent on the chart temporarily. even if render goes right back down to 0.489 and it respects that area, this thing could go on a rip, man. Got a huge left wing or ear or whatever you want to call it.
You said.
Could even go all. You know what's crazy is on a higher time frame. I still like even if it went sideways back down to like four. Could have just like a solid takeoff from there. Talking like 8, 9, 10. No, not 8, 9, 10. What is that in decimals? Yeah, maybe $1 by like the hell date is that? Next month.
Maybe I'm on the wrong render. REN?
RN. Oh, no. RNDR.
I'm on REN. My bad.
Oh. I was looking at what Ocean was looking at.
Make a difference, huh?
Yeah. Because this one, I mean, the EMAs are lined up perfectly. They're just solid, man. This thing's traded above the 100 for a minute. It actually came to retest it a couple of times, bounced above the 20. Sorry, it was sitting on the 50. Bounced above, came back down to retest the 50 on a 15-minute. Popped. That was nice. But it's funny that you were saying that because
Are you ready for the dump?
on the Elliott wave here, it tells me that was wave 5. So that's where the confusion was. Why I was kind of trying to follow what you were saying too. But yeah, this thing looks, I don't know.
Cause this shiz is looking weak.
Turbo.
Hi.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet.
What were you doing in the Zeppelin Black Sabbath era?
See you boys at 13th,
I
maybe.
have no idea. What year would that be?
I don't even know. But that was when cocaine was like prevalent, more prevalent.
Right. No, I was definitely not doing that. I don't know. I was probably working or in high school, no?
Yeah. I think I don't know when. Well, Black Sabbath goes back quite a while, but with Zeppelin also. But by the time you fall into it, in other words, because just curious. I think that was the first time I started smoking, maybe.
Oh, when did I start? I don't think for me it had anything to do with connecting to like music or anything, but if I had to tell you what I was really into at the time, it was more like the Doors. And
yeah, I know. You said that, yeah.
Yeah, the Doors, and then there was Guns N' Roses before that. I do like some, yeah. weird like different things. I like Pink Floyd, certain things like I don't know, but not all of it. You know, it's like some of the Guns N' Roses material gets on my nerves.
Yeah, certain albums, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but I mean, because
Metallica. Oh my God,
yeah,
you got Metallica. Yeah.
Metallica.
What's that, OG?
But I always was like more of a dance music type of guy, believe it or not.
I was into everything, like the new wave shit down the shore. That was like
Techno,
a big thing. Yeah, but you know, when you're real young, it's like, well, I had two older brothers, so it's like they had Beatles shit, and
oh yeah, I like the Beatles, but
and then they had
like in my car.
They had I forget what the hell, some other stuff that was obscure to me, but yeah, Pink Floyd was one of the first music that we used to listen to.
Nice. I was just listening to some earlier on.
It's funny because you go from that to oh boy, you go from that to like Allman Brothers or Skinner, or that's I was into everything. And then it got into the punk shit because the bass player I used to jam that was in the band was really into half the bands I mean I heard some of them, but I never really listened to them. But Dead Presidents, I don't even know. There was so many different ones. The Bolocks or whatever. What album was that? It's all British punk. Iggy Pop. They just relate those times to music. And now, what do we have?
What we have here is a failure to communicate. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Where to?
300%. That's where.
Hey, Coley. Coley.
Holy.
What's up with the posting? I heard Donnie had some trouble posting.
Those just broke a local high.
Yeah, Bitcoin's pushing. Oh, she's doing pretty damn good, huh? Didn't fall back down. Everything else fucking dipped, but I'm just disappointed in this market. It's taking too long to do what it's got to do.
Wow, this is where it drives you crazy.
Yes, it does.
Here's my number. Get there lately. Yes, I agree. This market owes me.
Get in line. Well, I think I'm gonna go have my leftover Chinese.
There's no change up there.
What's her name? Kim Sung?
Real quick, are we going back down?
Yep.
Maybe, but who said yeah? I don't know. We're in a tail right now, man, and we're still above the 50, and we are holding higher lows, and we just got a higher high on this formation. Not from our drop, but on a small time frame. I don't know, man. I don't think it's going down at the moment. Even if it goes and retests the wick all the way on the bottom and holds a higher low, dude, that's a two-step. That's a clean two-step down fractal coming from a left wing, finding support on the 50, dropping slightly below, retesting it, having the bounce we had. I don't know, man, but it's also Sunday night. I guess isn't some type of market back open now, or futures or some shit opening?
Saturday night.
Thought it was Saturday. What?
Oh fuck, we're Saturday. Sorry. It's daily close. My bad. Yeah.
Pockets.
You're getting
fuck. I excited myself there for a second.
No.
All right. Well, sideways till tomorrow. See you later.
The pain goes on forever.
Oh shit. Still a two-step down fractal off the 50. I don't know. We might have a surprise on Doge. It's clean, man. I just don't know what else to say. If it goes down, I'm fucked. I have a stop loss. My stop loss at 8800 flat. I know it's a weird area, but
nice number though.
It's a fib.
Liar.
Yeah.
What is it? It's a fib. It's a 50 fib off the last move, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong.
Fib and nachos.
Enjoy your wang chunk.
Okay, I'll be back anyways.
What are you doing?
Put some duck sauce on that.
I'm just going to eat while Doge drops a little bit here.
I was going to the moon. I just went wrong.
It really could. Just at the moment, it needs to form its right wing up on the inverted, and then once that's done, then we can hopefully. Well, you know what happens to the right wing up in these formations? They usually retrace pretty nicely.
All right, on the 1 minute chart, we have done 90 bars. So that's an hour and a half,
bars. Right? Okay. What does that mean?
All right, I'm going to show you something. All right, so 90 bars. So if you go from 1744 to 1913, right? It's an hour and a half. All right.
Mm-hmm.
That's on the 1 minute, right?
Yeah.
What happened?
That's an hour and a half. That's an hour and a half right there. And you drop and you pull on the 15 minute. So that's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on the 6th candle. Right? So you figure what my point about all this all along is you can make these plays on the 1 minute time chart. But it took an hour and a half and you only done this part on the 15 minute chart, right? That's all you did on the 15 minute chart. But on the 1 minute time frame, you've already made a cat, his forehead, his left ear, forehead, right ear, back, another little tail. But on this fallen piece right here, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, right?
Yeah, retested the wick. Yeah.
All right, so 3 step. So my take profit's going to be here. You go to the 30 minute chart. My next take profit's going to be right there on that 200 on the 30 minute chart. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Does this little thing, comes sideways, makes its funny little hump, and left ear, forehead, right ear.
Yeah, it can work. I don't see it going lower than that wick, but that's fine too.
It may not. It may not. I may have to just, insta close, but that's.
You're very close to the 88 where my stop loss is. I can't really see the number on your screen, but I know you're close to it.
It's 8601.
8601. Yeah, you're pretty close to it.
8711 to the bottom of that wick.
Yeah.
But you see how on the 30 minute you just got that death cross? You just got that death cross right there?
Mm-hmm.
15 minute death cross. 50's crossing over to 100.
So you don't see that scenario. You don't see those candles going and maybe touching that death cross, those two EMAs up there, and then having its rejection and going through the 20.
Each step down is done, all it's gone is going back to the 20. So I'm waiting on it to go revisit the 20, normally somewhere right along in here. So if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in, and then I'll wait on it to touch the 20. Once it touches the 20, I'm gonna go back in short again.
Right. Okay. That's cool. That's fine. That's fine. But that's what I'm saying. We might be surprised over there because it is for me, it clearly did the left wing, the left ear, the right ear. This was our bounce. And if it holds any higher than that bottom wick you're talking about there, where the 87 something is, then then I think it's going to be a solid.
Right. If it's a higher low, then you come back up and touch the 50.
That's it. So that's the formation I'm seeing. But okay, that's cool.
So what I do is I'll ride this short. It comes back here. I go in, right? If next candle, if it comes up here and touches that 20, I go in. And then my confirmation is once it breaks the lower low, once it makes a lower low than here. So if it comes to here and it looks like it's going to start to push back up again, I bail.
You're out. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. What time frame is that? That's a 15.
Correct.
Yeah, 15.
But I've been trading the 5. I've been watching it on the 5, just the oscillation part of it on the 5 and the 1. It's just I find it on the longer time frames to see how long the trend's going to last. And whenever it broke through this 200, it made me stretch out to the 30.
Okay, well, you're on the 5 minutes, so the 5 minute, right? That's why I was like, I'm gonna go eat while it drops a little bit, because we tapped the 20 for a second time, and we kind of got rejected off of it.
All right, so look at the 45 minute, and look, it touched the 100. The wick perfectly touched the 100.
Oh shit! Look at that. Yeah.
So I mean, that's why
good,
I zoom in and out trying to find it. But see how this is coming for that big steep death cross? You're coming for the death cross right there. So I mean, that's what I'm waiting. I think it's gonna be a little steeper. I don't know. We see. I'm gonna wait on confirmation.
You see the big cat though?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Cool.
But see, whenever you get this higher low or lower high like that, like when it got us last night, that lower high that took off, that was this morning. When that got us, I was like, oh, this ain't good. And don't ask me why I didn't jump in right there. For the love of God, I don't know why I did not jump in that trade. I should have jumped in that. I'd be rich. If I'd have went 30,000 Doge short right there.
Well, we'll get our turn like that. This week I've had a couple of seriously nice trades. If I had more money into them, I'd be very, very happy. But that's good. It's coming soon.
All right, I was just messing with you. Go eat, man.
Yep. No, that's awesome. I love that. You kidding me? I love seeing this stuff because it's reality, I just it is a powerful fractal, man. So you have it on the inverse at the moment, on the inverted 1 minute. I think we're going to do a right wing up, so that means down. It's the rejection off the 20. That's fine. But we have that right side up one, which is clean as fuck, man. I mean, I don't know. So we'll see. I'm gonna go eat. I like surprises. I'll tell you though. Is this the inverted? No, this is the right side up. Yeah, this is. Oh, it's exciting. We'll see. Doge. It's a hell of a drug. I'll catch you guys in a few minutes.
Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Donnie, it turns out you do it the same way I do.
Hey, did you watch that? I told you to check out.
Watch the trailer for it. It's like freaking 20 minutes long. Or though, I haven't had a chance to watch it yet.
Yeah, well, you might want to check that out. It's an eye opener, my friend.
What's that, Don?
I'll send you a message. We're on there. Yeah, you're a lot like me. We do a lot similar right there.
That's what I do with the cat too. I'll chase it through time frames, and it's a piece of a bigger one, which is a piece of a bigger one, which is a piece of a bigger one, and it tells you the direction of it. Or the
There he goes, Samson.
Yeah, I got it. Thanks.
You'll need about an hour off to the side to get into it. So we're back live.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw that, Donnie.
Did you watch the whole video?
I don't know if it was from him, but it's I've watched. I'll check it out. He's talking about the same thing that I heard from somebody else too. But yeah.
It explains a lot because I've seen tidbits and heard different parts of the documentary, but I actually sat down and watched the whole thing the other night, and it answered some questions about why some were affected and some wasn't.
Mm-hmm.
What's
I think he's supposed to go in. I don't know if he's going. He's supposed to be speaking somewhere about this situation, Freed, and they're wondering why. What the hell? He's walking around. He's not locked up. Everybody's wondering.
No, we're talking about something different. Scroll down in your messages there, sir.
You're on the wrong page, wrong book. What's better, a tidbit or a big tit?
You know how hard it is to find a damn holster for 357?
Short barrel?
2-inch.
He's got one that looks like the fucking Joker's gun. It's like a 10-inch barrel.
Dude, have you seen that 454? I went into the shop the other day, and there's one sitting there with night vision and a bipod on it. I was like, my God.
It's right. What? They'll stick a silencer on it too to keep it quiet.
Here's what was crazy. It had a 3-port brake on the end of it.
You have to keep it down.
It's like, my God, what a damn gun.
It's
going to be just as heavy as my damn 300 Win Mag.
There's a lot of steel. Is it gun barrel on it, or?
Yeah, that's a lot of the guys. That's what they've been doing, is using them for bear hunt.
Did you go yet, Donnie?
We're going in the morning.
Well, that's how the bear market's going to start. You're going to shoot all the bears. Bear hunting all summer. Seems like.
Yeah, we only get from the 16th to January 2nd.
Well, don't kill the one from Charmin toilet paper. He's got a couple more.
I'll tell you what, if I do, I'll send you his first so you can wipe your ass.
Well, no, it's just in the woods, though. Just follow the toilet paper trail. I want the adrenal gland.
I want to do a rug. I've never.
I was just gonna say, you can make a fucking back scratcher out of their friggin' claws.
Yeah, you can do a bear claw back scratcher. You can do the rug.
Scratcher.
I'd say I'd make a coat, but they stink.
Great. Yeah, I want that adrenaline gland. Get brain bubbles. Sure.
What do you shoot for? The heart, the head? Looks like an instant kill.
So anytime, you're bear hunting, you want to go, if you're looking at it broadside, and you see where the shoulder comes up, you want to go 3 inches behind the shoulder and 2 inches down. That'll be a double lung, top of the heart.
Yeah.
You're eating long, so you can't chase it.
Well, that's why the sidearm stays on.
The wing mag, if it does like it does in the movies, you don't have to worry about it. The bear's gonna fly like 45 feet. As soon as you knock the tree down and shit.
Those touching the 50? I'm going in. Let's see what happens.
What's like? Is everybody shorting yet, or what's up?
Want no short doge.
Is Clive still in his trade? There's so many questions.
Enough answers. Too many rookies, not enough pros.
I'll tell you, Link is still up at 724. So it's pretty strong.
Who does?
Wow.
BTC.
I mean, oh 89434.
You longing right there on confirmation? Is that what you're doing?
I'm short.
Oh, ooh.
Too many death crosses, my friend.
Gotcha.
Got some green volume now coming in here. On Biddy.
Up or down?
Stop loss 89704. Take profits 8767. Whee! Like a little piggy. Wee, wee, wee!
All the way through the market.
Shit, I could close right now and be at 8%.
Eat the platypus.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever been on Twitch.
Oh, weird. Not a fan of myself.
Ain't that where all the porn chicks are?
Thought it was all gaming. I have no idea.
Chicks.
Is there any Twitch you're saying?
Porn chicks over a game.
Possibly. Is there anything I ever watched on Twitch? That and this monkey that eats apples. It's kind of weird. Get out. Somebody posted that shit a long while back in here.
OG,
Yo.
can you check out this coin for me? UBXT. UB as in boy, X, T as in Tom. Man, this coin is going crazy.
Have you seen that one coin mob OG on CoinX?
Mob, MOB?
It was up like 300 and some. It was up like 300 and something percent. Still up 180% right now.
MOB?
On spot, yeah.
One of your bitches. This one here is up 750%. This UBXT.
What's that on Mexi?
It went
It's on
up to
Bitcoin.
11 cents.
750%. Yeah, it's on KuCoin.
It's still got good
Wow.
volume on it.
Just throw in like $5 and see what happened.
Right? This is in 2 hours, 750%. Damn. That's nuts.
Yeah, like how the fuck do you get those like before they pump like that?
You happen to be holding them, I guess. I don't know.
And it's got that ST special treatment. So probably gonna get delisted.
Yeah. Well, it might be a couple of people that were holding it because it went up.
Special.
What's the other one? Mob?
Yeah. Mob, MOB.
Let me move up. Yeah, back in November 21st, it jumped 200% in one candle. But a little earlier, it dropped 78% on the 8th. And doing these spikes consistently.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey Z. Still here?
Yeah.
It looks like it does most of its action on the 27th of the month and the 9th of the month. Every month. Like every one of these pumps is on the 27th. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, that's crazy.
The 27th.
That thing is still pumping.
Well, I mean, like, next month I'd look at it on the 27th as far as, like, catching a big one. Because I don't think you're going to get much out of this. Like, looking back, I mean, you might, but looking back, it doesn't really pump. It gets one more little pump up and then it keeps dropping.
Yeah, I wanted to short it, but it's not on futures. I would have longed it.
It shows another little jump up and then dropping off on each one of them. Looks like a little elephant trunk. So you're still standing to get a little bump, but I mean, I wouldn't put money on it.
No, it's not worth it. I see it on spot, but not on futures. I wanted to short it, but
yeah, I wouldn't spot it right now. I'd wait till it gets to the bottom.
Yeah.
With watch out for it. Right around there. 26 now. Back. That big dump was on the 27th, and most of the jumps were on the 27th. The last one was on the 9th, so that's kind of weird, but maybe it's intervals of 9.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that mob already went up another 10% since I was looking at it. Went from 180 to 190.
That's what I'm looking at now. There's a couple different MOBs, actually. It's crazy. Pretty new one.
2th3 Muen.
Oh, there we go. A little pop on Biddy.
We're going down. We're going down. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Hey, drop it like a slut. Drop it like a thought.
Sorry, in BTC like a motherflower.
It's all about the money, homie.
Looks like it might be trying to turn around. We're shorting it. Maybe not. Oh, 1 hour maybe.
Yeah, 501, it might go to 550, but then drop like it's hot. Drop like it's hot. All the way. 150.
When the pigs try to get at you.
Drop it like a thought.
Fucking get an attitude.
Drop it like a thought.
Just full of action in here tonight, ain't it?
Bunch of shit happening.
Huh?
Bunch of shit happening. I think.
Told my wife the difference between the 300 Win Mag cartridge and a 223 and a 22 LR.
Just a little bigger.
Hold on, I'll take a picture. Post it, yeah.
LR.
There goes your differences.
I bet you the 22 will hurt more.
What was that?
I bet you the 22 LR will hurt more. Because you'll have to live through it.
I wouldn't want that 300 Win Mag chasing me down.
Yeah, but you probably lived through the 22.
And that's only 185 grain bullet. I've got the same weight coming out of my 357.
With a lot of powder behind that fucker.
But you know what's cool, man? Because I got a 6.5 Creedmoor too, 243. I got a bunch of different ones, but that gun, that Bagar with that steel chassis, with the steel frame inside that molded chassis, the recoil is minimal. I mean, I was shocked. And then now that I've got the new brake on it, and that's going to cut it down even more. I'm supposed to lose 50% more recoil.
Yeah.
Damn, that was a nice little candle on Bitcoin.
Yeah, those broke through the 20. Yeah, I'll get stopped out here in just a second. It pumps. Oh, there it goes. Oh, $5.
I always feel bad when people get stopped out, except when they're shorting goes.
You're ready to open another one. I hope it goes up there and touches that 50. Make my $5 back.
Got my stop ordered at 583. Stop lows.
Balances from 8